National Plumbing Code of the Philippines, Chapter 8. Indirect waste piping, wet venting system, and special wastes. Section 801. Indirect waste condition. Indirect waste is a drainage piping that runs a plumbing fixtures or appliances and discharge into a separate waste pipe or receptacle. Section 801.1. No evaporative cooler, air washer, or similar air conditioning equipment shall have any drain pipe in connection therewith directly connected to any soil, waste, and vent pipe. Such an equipment shall be drained by means of indirect waste pipe as defined that the pipe does not connect directly with drainage system, but transport liquid waste by discharging into a plumbing fixtures, interceptor, or receptacle directly connected to the drainage system. Section 801.2. No cold storage room, refrigerator, cooling counter, compartment, receptacle, ordnance, or device used for storage or holding of food or drink, and no dishwashing or culinary sink in any food preparation room used for soaking, washing, or preparing ready-to-serve food shall have any drain in connection therewith directly connected to any soil, waste, or vent pipe. All waste drained by them shall discharge through an air gap into an open floor sink or other approved type receptor are properly connected to the drainage system. But this section does not apply to the walk-in refrigerator or combination walk-in and reach-in refrigerator that used for storage and sales of product packaged in bottles, cartons, or containers. Then, cooling and air conditioning equipment may be separated by an air brake, but all food equipment shall be separated from the drainage system by a full air gap. Section 801.3. The air gap for drainage shall be not less than 25 millimeters between the plumbing fixtures, appliances, or appurtenance outlet and the rim of floor sink CR receptor. Section 802. Approvals. No plumbing fixtures served by indirect waste pipe or receiving discharge therefrom shall be installed until first approved by the administrative authority. Section 803. Indirect waste pipe. Except as hereinafter provided, the size and installation of indirect waste piping shall be in accordance with other section of this code applicable to drainage and vent piping. No vent indirect waste pipe less than 4.6 meters in length need to be larger in diameter than the drain outlet or tail face of fixtures, appliances, or equipment served, but in no case less than 13 mm in diameter. So, no vent from indirect waste piping with any excreta connected vent. Excreta means waste matter drainage from body, especially feces and urine. But indirect waste piping shall be extended into 1.5 meters but not less than 4.6 meters length, separately to the outside air, and it shall be directly trapped, but the traps need to be not vented. Then, angles and changes of direction shall be provided with cleanouts to permit flushing and cleaning. Section 804. Indirect waste receptor. All plumbing fixtures or other receptor receiving the discharge of indirect waste pipe shall be approved or the use proposed and of such shape and capacity to prevent splashing or flooding, and shall be located where readily accessible for inspection and cleaning. Except to that sand pipe for clothes water may be installed in toilet and bathroom areas in the same room. No standpipe receptor for any clothes washer shall extend more 0.8 meters nor less than for 0.45 meters above its trap. No trap for any clothes washer standpipe receptor shall be installed below the floor, but shall be rough no less than 15 centimeters and not more than 45 centimeters above the floor. No indirect waste receptor shall be installed in toilet room, closet, cupboard, or storeroom, nor in any other portion of the building not for general use by occupants. Section 804.2. Where water service connection are installed for clothes washer, an approved method of waste disposal shall be provided. Section 804.3. Every indirect waste interceptor receiving discharge containing particles that clogs the receptor drain shall have readily removable beehive strainer. Section 805. Pressure drainage connection. Indirect waste connection shall be provided for drains, overflows, or relief bins from the water supply system, and no piping or equipment carrying waste or producing waste or other discharge under pressure shall be directly connected to any part of the drain system. The foregoing shall not apply to any approved sump pump or to any approved pressure wasting plumbing fixtures or device when the administrative authority has satisfied himself that the drainage system adequately size or accommodate an anticipated discharge. Section 806. Sterile equipment. Appliances, device or apparatus such as sterilizers and similar equipment requiring water and waste and used for sterile material shall be drained through an air gap. Section 807. Appliances. Section 807.1. Appliances, device, equipment, or other apparatus not regularly classified as plumbing fixtures, equipment with pumps, drips, or drainage outlet may be drained by indirect waste pipe discharging into an approved type open receptor. Section 807.2. When the condensate waste from air conditioning coils is discharged by directly connection to a lavatory tailpiece or to an approved accessible inlet or a bathtub overflow, the connection shall be located in area controlled by same person controlling the air conditioned space. Section 807.3. When undiluted condensate waste from fuel burning condensing appliance is discharged into the drainage system, the material in the drainage system shall be cast iron, galvanized iron, plastic, or other materials approved for this use. Section 807.4. No domestic dishwashing machine shall be directly connected to the drainage system of food waste disposal without the use of approved dishwasher air gap fitting to the discharge side of dishwashing machine. Section 807.3. Exception. When the above condensate is discharged to an exposed fixture's tailpiece and trap, such tailpiece and trap may be brass. Section 807.3.2. Any materials approved in Section 701 may be used when, in the opinion of administrative authority, condensate waste from fuel burning condensing appliances is diluted either before after discharge into the drainage system. Section 871. Section 871. So, materials, strata drainage system. Section 808, cooling water. When permitted by the department having jurisdiction, clean running water used exclusively as a cooling medium in appliances, device or apparatus may discharge into the drainage system through the inlet side of a fixture strap in the event that a suitable fixture is not available to receive such as discharge. Such strap connection shall be by means of pipe connected to the inlet side of the approved fixture strap. The upper and terminating in a fuel-shaped receptacle set adjacent and not less than 152 mm above the overflow rim of the future. Section 809, drinking fountain. The drinking fountain may be installed with indirect ways. That's all of my presentation. Thank you.